If you're serious about changing your life and want to be the first in your family or community to achieve greatness, this video is for you. Too many people wait for one day to start, but that day never comes. The only thing you need is the decision to begin. Today, I'll share 7 powerful, life-changing millionaire mindset tips. The last one could truly transform your life. Watch till the end, subscribe for more, and comment where you're watching from. The first step to becoming a millionaire is to expand your thinking. It's about opening your mind to new possibilities and daring to imagine a life far beyond your current circumstances. When you allow yourself to dream bigger, you start to see opportunities where others see obstacles. Real poverty is not a lack of money, but a lack of vision. If you can't see yourself achieving more, you'll never take the steps needed to get there. Vision is the fuel that drives ambition and action. If you think small, you'll act small. Limiting beliefs keep you stuck in the same place, repeating the same patterns. But when you think big, you give yourself permission to grow and take bold action. Millionaires see opportunities, not problems. They focus on solutions, and they're always looking for ways to turn challenges into stepping stones for success. They invest, not just spend. Every decision is made with the future in mind, building wealth and creating value over time. Challenge the beliefs that limit you. Break through the mental barriers that tell you what you can't do, and replace them with empowering thoughts about what's possible. Who said your dreams are too big? The only limits that exist are the ones you accept. Let your imagination soar and set goals that excite you. Feed your mind with inspiration. Read, listen, and surround yourself with people and content that lift you up. The right environment can spark new ideas and keep your motivation high. Your mind is a garden. Plant empowering thoughts daily. Nurture your mindset with positivity and watch your confidence and creativity grow. Shift from I can't to how can I, and watch your world expand. The bigger you think, the bigger your life can become. The wealthy never stop learning. The world changes fast. If you're not learning, you're falling behind. Invest in yourself. Every new skill or piece of knowledge is a tool for success. True learning is lifelong. Stay curious and humble. Read, watch tutorials, listen to podcasts, or talk to experts. Learning is everywhere. Small daily improvements compound into massive growth. Make learning a daily habit, and you'll always stay ahead. Your commitment to growth is your greatest asset. Excellence is not an act, but a habit. Your daily routines shape your destiny. Start your day with intention. Wake up early, read, exercise, or meditate. End your day with reflection and preparation, not mindless scrolling. Change one habit at a time. Replace a bad habit with a good one. Consistency is key. Small changes lead to big results. Redesign your habits, and you'll redesign your future. Success is built on the foundation of daily discipline. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with those who inspire, challenge, and support your growth. Negative, limiting people drain your energy and hold you back. Seek mentors and communities that push you to be better. Sometimes, you must limit time with those who don't share your vision. Protect your energy and your dreams. Your network is your net worth, mentally, spiritually, and financially. We're taught from a young age to fear failure, to avoid mistakes at all costs. But the truth is, millionaires and high achievers see failure differently. They view it as a necessary stepping stone on the path to greatness, not something to be ashamed of or to run from. Every setback is actually feedback, a valuable lesson pointing you toward growth. It's not a verdict on your worth or your potential, but a signal that you're pushing your limits and learning something new. The only true failure is refusing to try or never taking the time to learn from your experiences. Each attempt, even if it doesn't go as planned, brings you closer to your goals. Success stories are built on resilience and persistence. Fall, learn, adapt, and rise stronger every time. The most inspiring journeys are filled with moments of getting back up. Reframe failure as tuition for your education in success. Every mistake is an investment in your future wisdom and confidence. Give yourself permission to be imperfect, to experiment, and to try again. Growth happens when you allow yourself to be vulnerable and open to learning. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? And keep moving forward with curiosity and courage, knowing each step is progress. Overcoming the fear of falling is what truly lets you soar. Embrace the journey, and you'll discover heights you never imagined. Your most valuable asset is your time, not your money. Every minute you spend is a choice, and those choices shape your future. Unlike money, time can never be earned back once it's gone, so treat it with the respect it deserves. Guard your time fiercely. Distractions steal your future. Social media, endless notifications, and interruptions can drain hours from your day before you even realize it. Being busy isn't the same as being productive. Focus on what matters. Multitasking can make you feel accomplished, but true progress comes from deep, focused work on your highest priorities. Set clear goals and prioritize the tasks that move you forward. Take a few minutes each morning to identify your top 3 priorities and let those guide your actions throughout the day. Learn to say no to distractions and low-value activities. Saying no isn't selfish. It's essential for protecting your time and energy for what truly matters. Use tools like calendars and to-do lists to stay on track. These simple habits help you visualize your day and keep you accountable to your goals. Audit your time for a week. You'll be surprised where it goes. Tracking your time reveals hidden patterns and helps you reclaim lost hours for what matters most. Take control. Your time is your life. Don't give it away. When you master your time, you master your destiny, one intentional choice at a time. The secret to wealth is creating value for others, not chasing money. Solve real problems for real people. Money follows value. Look at your skills and passions. How can you serve others? Focus on giving, not getting. The bigger the problem you solve, the more you earn. Wealth built on service is fulfilling and lasting. Build solutions, not just products. Make life better for others. Don't chase money. Create value, and money will chase you. Becoming a millionaire starts with a single decision, not a big business or lucky break. Promise yourself to take one step every day. Learn, grow, and act. Check in with yourself nightly. Did I move closer to my dream today? Your past doesn't define your future. Your choices do. If you're ready, declare in the comments. I am starting my journey from today. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. See you in the next powerful video.